So now in this video we will start working right on the UI. Right in here we will simply remove that container and we will write scaffold in here. Okay, and right in the scaffold there will be a body, and right in the body we will have a container. Okay, and right in there we will first set the decoration for the image. Okay, and then in here const modifier and then box decoration in here. Right in there now in here image, there we go. Now right in here decoration image, there we go. Now in here we will take this down and we will remove that from here. Okay, and we will write asset image, there we go, and right in there remove that and write assets. Okay, slash and then the name of image background. Okay, dot jpg. As you guys can see the image right in the asset background dot jpg. Okay, right after in here put a comma, and now we will fit this to box fit dot cover. Okay, so take this down, let's scroll it down first in here, and now right after these box decorations we will have a child, and right in the child we will have a column widget. Okay, and right in there we will be children, and right in the children, but first we will create a size box to create some width between them. Okay, so right in here size box, there we go, and we will give the width to 100, let's say. Okay, this one in here we will add the const modifier later, but first now in here container. Okay, there we go, and right in the container now set the margin, and in margin there will be edge insect. Okay, we will go with the dot only, there we go. We will set the top to 20.0. Okay, and right after there will be child, and now in here we will have a stake. Okay, now in there right in the stake there will be children, and right in the children first in here we will write a widget. Okay, there we go. Now right in there let's scroll it down, there will be center. Now in here right in the center there will be a child, and in child there will be a text button. Okay, there we go. Now right in the text button there will be on pressed, and right in the on pressed we will simply go and copy that name from here, that one, copy it. Okay, and come back and in here paste it. Okay, as you guys can see. Now right after this on long press we will go back, or just right in here capture, there we go, capture photo from camera. Okay, now right after this there will be a child, now in here there will be a container. Okay, so just on press they will open the gallery. Okay, I mean right in the application when we run it. Okay, and on the long press it will simply capture an image from the camera. So that's fine in here, and now in here in the container. Okay, we will have a margin first. Okay, as in sec we will go with only. Okay, we will give the top to 30.0, and right after we will give the right to 35.0, and we will give the left to 18.0. Okay, so that's fine in here. We will add the const modifier later. So now after this there will be a child, and right in the child there will be a image. Okay, not equal to null. Okay, if the image not equal to null, then in here simply we will add that image.file, and in there will be that image, and now check, put a comma, and right after let's give some height. You will give the height 160.0, and right after you will give the width to 400.0. okay, and then the fit, okay, just to cover, box fit cover I mean. There we go. Okay, let me show you. So if the image not equal to null, then we will simply in here writing the if, we will show that image. Okay, now right after in here there will be else, and now right in the else we will show first you'll have a container in here. There we go. Let's scroll it down first. Now in the container we will first set the width to 140.0, and right after the height will be 190.0, and right after will be child, and right in the child there will be icon. Okay, and right in the icon in here icons dot camera. Okay, this one will be for a camera. As you guys can see in here, we will go with the rounded one. That one is fine in here. And right after you will give the color you will go with the black one. That's fine in here. Okay, so the process in here, if the image is not equal to null, then we will simply show the image, or otherwise in the else we will show the camera icon. Okay, and let me tell one more thing, that this image will be the user selected image. Okay, so that's fine in here. And now right after this container put a comma first, and right in here let's scroll it down. In here we will first set the size box to create some height between them. Okay, give the height to 160.0. okay, and right after there will be a container, and now in the container we will set the margin first. As insect we will go with the only. There we go. We will give the top to 20.0, and right down in here there will be child, and right in the child there will be text, and in text let's take this down, and in here with a $sign there will be result. Okay, and right after text align. There we go. Text align, we will go with the center as you guys can see, and right after this let's do some styling, and there will be a text style. Now in the text style we will set the font size first. Okay, we will set it to the 40.0. okay, and right after we will give the colors dot, we will go with a pink accent. There we go. And right after we'll give the background colors dot, we will go with the white. That is fine in here. So now let's scroll it down, put a comma, and that is fine in here. Okay, so now we will simply add the const modifier to this text tab. There we go. Now to this is simply add it. Now to this icon. Okay, to this, and in here okay, all fine in here. So that's all the code for the home.dot. Now we will simply go and do the last thing. Okay, you simply come here, open this Android and write in the app, open this build.gradle. Okay, come here down, we will change this SDK version to the 19. Okay, and right after in here we will add the app option in here. Okay, so write in here app option. Now in there no compress, as you guys can see, and in there tf lite. Okay, so after this we will simply copy that from here, copy it and write down here, paste it. We will remove that tf and just a lite. Okay, as you guys can see. So now we will do a last change. Right at the top we will go, first let's change the font size, and now we will go at the top and change the num result. As you guys can see here, changes to 2, and you can see result per image prediction. Okay, so now we will go down and change the image size right in here. Okay, as you guys can see, let's change this to 360. Okay, so that's fine here. Now we will test the application. This will take some time. As you guys can see the result, there is a background image and there is an icon of camera. Click in it and in here select the image. As you guys can see, Black Widow, and there is an image. Now we will change the image. Let's click here. We will go with the Iron Man. There we go, Iron Man. We will change this again. Click in here, select image. There we go, it's working fine. Okay, Black Widow. Okay, it's working totally fine. So now long press on this camera icon so that we will capture the image, as you guys can see in here. Now click OK. As you guys can see, it's working fine, but the image is loading. There we go, Iron Man. So now we will test it again. So long press in here and capture the image of any character you want in here. As you guys can see, Doctor Strange, but the image is loading. There we go, it's working fine. So that's it for this video.